right, I think we're good to go. And, yeah, whenever you're ready. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. Meeman Waindam Jihayan Oma Noongoon. Welcome to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. That's how we say in Ojibwe. That's how we say I'm happy to be here today. BOOZHOO, Nij, Anishinaabe, and welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. My name is Michael Lyons, an indigenous cause, and I am the creator of the BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO podcast. Now please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Okay, hey, thank you so much, my Niji. And BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. And today's Ojibwe word of the day. Opiche, robin. And today I would like to tell the story of Opiche, the robin. So back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a masked vigilante named Batman. And Batman would fight crime at night, dressed in all black like a bat. And he had a utility belt and a really cool car and all kinds of stuff. And he lived in a big mansion outside of town. But underneath that mansion was an enormous bat cave filled with a supercomputer with a whole bunch of, experiment stuff with a lazy Susan for his car and a secret tunnel. And it was his bat cave. So Batman had it all. By day, he was a millionaire. Philanthropist. He was he had all kinds of he was a millionaire playboy. He had dates and all that, but he still wasn't happy. He was lonely. So one day he was reading a paper there, and it says, tragedy strikes Gotham Circus. 2 of the acrobats had died, and they left behind their one little boy, Dick Grayson. He was an orphan now. And oh, geez, Batman saw this, and he goes, oh, wow, it's just like me. My parents died when I was a little guy. I should go adopt that kid. But so he goes down to the police station. And he sees Commissioner Gordon. He goes, hey, Commissioner, it's me, Bruce Wayne. And I was wondering, what would it take to, maybe foster that little kid from the circus? I hear his parents are dead. And Commissioner Gordon says, oh, yeah, it's a whole thing. You got to go down to social services, got to do a background check. They're going to want to really make sure that this kid's not just going to some creepy mansion on the edge of town with a secret bat cave or something. And Bruce Wayne said, oh, you know what? I can't even be bothered with that. But tell you what, I'll be his ward for the time being. And Commissioner Gordon said, okay, that sounds good. So he goes and he meets Dick Grayson. And he says, hey, Dick Grayson, my name is Bruce Wayne. And I'm a millionaire, playboy, philanthropist, bachelor. How'd you like to come to my mansion on the edge of town with my butler, Alfred? And Dick Grayson was like, well, I was kind of touring with the circus, and I got a job in a whole community of people. Thank you. But, no offense. Why would I live with a complete stranger? I got a whole family of circus people who will take care of me. And then Bruce Wayne was like, oh, come on, just do it. And so Dick Grayson, that was the day. He said, okay then. So they go back to Wayne Manor. And Bruce is like giving him the tour. He goes, okay, here's the living room. This is the kitchen. Make yourself at home. You want a sandwich? Have at it. I got peanut butter and jelly because I'm rich. And this is Alfred the butler. And he's showing him around. And then he goes, oh, look at this. It's a big old grandfather clock. But don't worry about that. And just then Dick Grayson goes, oh, that's nice. And he just touched it, and hoa. Big old elevator opens up. And he's like, what is this? It's an elevator. And so Bruce Wayne goes, okay, I suppose I'm going to have to tell you sooner or later. I'm the Batman. And I fight crime. And if you like, you can be the Bat Boy. No, I was going to say you can be Robin. Like the bird. And Dick Grayson was all, do I have to dress up like a bird? Goes, nah. You're going to wish you had dressed up as a bird after you hear what I'm going to dress you up like. But no, your name's going to be Robin. And in Ojibwe, we say Opichi, Robin. And this is our Ojibwe word of the day. Opichi, Robin. And I could have gone on for another half hour telling the Robin story, but I was just noticing that we're running out of time. Tune in again. Maybe tomorrow I will finish the story of Robin and Batman. All right. Hey, sweetie, you want to send us out? Or Michael? No, sweetie, can you tell them about the Patreon and that?
Yeah, sure.
All right. I will see you again. You go up them in. You know what?
Hey, everybody. If you want to support the show, just click the link in the description box, and you can become a Patreon supporter. Give us a couple of bucks every month. Or if you just want to leave us a tip, Michael has a GoFundMe campaign going on. And we also have a Patreon page. So just click the link in the description. Alright. Thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha. This is Michael Lyons and Nana BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Oh. All right.
one last one backed by popular demand. This is Let's Dance. Let's dance. Put on your red shoes and dance the blues. Let's dance to the song they're playing on the radio. Let's sway while color lights up your face. Let's sway, sway through the crowd to an empty space. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance for fear your grace should fall. Let's dance for fear tonight is all. Let's sway, you could look into my eyes. Let's sway under the moonlight, the serious moonlight. And if you say run, I'll run with you. And if you say hide, we'll hide. Because my love for you would break my heart in two. If you should fall into my arms and tremble like a flower, let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons. This is Nana BOOZHOO, and behind the camera is Natasha. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minoa, Hawa.